most of our sleep is forced sleep. That's why it's not deep. What you think that if you are lying silently, unconsciously, 8 hours, it means it's a deep sleep? No. Deep sleep means complete nervous system shutdown, rest. Today's time people, they go from sympathetic nervous system state and quickly shifting them into parasympathetic state. This quick shift in deep sleep doesn't work. And that's why you are lying on bed for 12 hours, but the next day morning when you wake up, you still feel heavy. You still feel that sleep was not that deep. Today I'm going to share with you a one practice before you go to bed. Do this at least for a week and see the change. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. You know what is required for sleep? Melatonin secretion. And that happens when the darkness increases. So more you are closing the light, you are coming to the darkness, sleep improves. But darkness doesn't mean only outer darkness. You need to create the darkness inside. And this practice which I'm going to share with you, create that darkness which gives signal to the brain to support sleep. And that's how melatonin secretion starts, and you go slowly to that deep rest. During the day, everyone is exposed to so much fluctuations. Most of the people are in survival mode. Most of us in reactive state. We just want to prove. We want to explain our words to the world, to other people. We want to be heard. We want to prove ourselves all the time. And these are the all pattern make your mind restless, and it becomes a habit which stays with you during the night. And that's why many times you are lying on the bed as a habit, eyes are closed, but you are unconscious, not resting. You need to begin with those practices which can activate parasympathetic nervous system, make it as a habit, and that's how the sleep can become deeper. So before you go to bed, don't jump on the bed and lie down and try to sleep. No. Do one thing. One glass of warm water to relax the entire system is very important. This is first you will do in your routine every night. Now the question is when to drink this water. After your last meal, dinner, after half hour of this dinner, drink warm water. It will support your digestion. It will also relax the entire system. And after you drink at least one glass of warm water, take 15-20 minutes gap between your sleep and this water. And when you're going to sleep, lie down in Shavasana, close your eyes, and practice one very simple exercise, the breathing exercise, which is inhale at the count of 4, exhale at the count of 6, 2 more extra exhalation. This inhale count of 4, because number is not that big, so you can easily focus on this. And exhalation is longer. Why? Because more the exhale is long, parasympathetic nervous system becomes active, and this is a support for your body to go easily to deep rest. That's the first practice. 3 to 5 minutes in lying position, you have to do this. Don't think too much how heavy the breath is, how deep the breath is. Just focus on counting. First thing, you can join me now in our upcoming webinar live on 21st of June. Link in description. I'm going to tell you there the power of the breath, the yogic breath, what is the difference between your ordinary breath in an yogic breath, some of the practices which can really help you in your pranayama sadhana, in your yoga sadhana. Don't forget to join this powerful webinar. It's completely free. You will understand why your breath is ordinary breath, why your breath is a poor breath, and how to strengthen this breath to take care of your entire life. See you also. After 3 to 4 minutes, another practice. Imagine what I said just now, that melatonin is secreted when there's a darkness. So you have to now practice one dharana, which is called Chidakash dharana, the dark space front of your closed eyes. So for example, if I ask you to close your eyes like this, what you see front of your closed eyes? There's a dark screen, right? So you start strengthening that dharana. You need to you need to give this instruction to the mind that there's a darkness inside. Support your sleep. The problem is that when we sleep, we close the eyes, but there's a current is going on. All the lightning is going on. That's why you can't sleep deep. So you have to lie down, feel and focus on that darkness, and imagine now that you are breathing, counting on that darkness. Inhale 1, 2. You can focus on the numbers there in this darkness. Exhalation is the same, like 6 count. Practice this regularly every night before you go to bed. One thing will happen with you. Slowly, automatically, you will notice that you already fall asleep. You will wake up next morning and then you will realize that you were practicing and suddenly you fall asleep. There will not be any control to stop that practice. This is how it should be. One thing you will get from this practice is your thoughts, which were coming again and again, the dreams, unnecessary dreams, which were taking your energy away from the sleep, will also disappear, will also dissolve. Third, the next benefit you will get, that every morning you will wake up fresh. You'll wake up that you got energy from somewhere. You will be feeling very fresh and awakened. And because sleep is deep, so your focus also will be improved. Your focus will be there in the task. You naturally will feel productive, motivated, inspired. I want you to practice only this technique, two techniques, every day, at least for 1 week to 10 days. Write me in comment what you see, the magic. Do this every night, even if you have a deep sleep. Try this. For those who want to improve the memory, who are tired to see the dreams, who are tired to try to sleep, for all these mental disturbance, these two practices are very powerful. Write me in comment after you practice and what you feel right there. I'll see you again in the next video. Namaste. One more thing.